Hey everyone, Not Too Dead here, just hanging out today, relaxing, and I fell onto the lock table here and I got myself all tangled up. I'm like, dear Lord, this one's chained to the table and this is here, and this one goes up around my neck. I don't even know what the heck's going on here, guys. So I guess we'll just go ahead and try to see if we can't work our way out of these, right? A couple neat techniques. See if I can't get these cuffs off first, because that will allow me more working room. I mean, I could try to do it like this first, just because. I mean, let's see if we can't get one like this. Reposition this lock a little differently. It's gonna be really hard to get tension on this bad boy correctly. Bam. Well, that wasn't as bad as I thought. There's one part down. Let's see. So close. Okay, well, let's try to get these cuffs off first. That'll free up some more room. Make this a little easier to work and maneuver. There we go. There's one off. And there we go. There's two off. Alright, now this is a lot easier here to maneuver. Let's see. So we still gotta get this bad boy off here. I mean, I could do this too. Let's do this first. Why not? This one's almost... Oh no, I need this free to get my neck out. Yeah, oh, I forgot about that. That wouldn't be good. Jimmy Longs makes quick work of these. Haha! Alright. That's this tricky part here, trying to get the tension right, and especially because I'm right-handed, so there it is. Alright, we're free. Alright everyone, if you like that, feel free to like, subscribe, share, comment, and till the next escape attempt, let's see what we come up with next. Have a good one.